Hello, good morning, students. Today is transcription number 124 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, this amendment relating to clause 8 is most important and it affords us yet another opportunity to explain to the government and to all those friends who do not still see eye to eye with us that clause 8 is perhaps the blackest clause in the bill. We have made it very clear, Mr. Deputy Chairman, that we have very many clauses in this bill to support. That is a matter of great satisfaction to us. Now, sir, whatever the government may be saying, whatever the Prime Minister may be theorizing, whatever new discoveries may be made by him with regard to the proposition of linguistic states, and whatever accusations may be made against the other parties of breaking the unity of India, the fact remains that the States Reorganization Bill, as we have it before us, recognize in practice the recognition of India largely on the basis of language. Nothing can detract this outstanding fact with regard to this bill. Therefore, sir, let us be very clear about it. It is not something that we are saying for the first time, and it is not something which is very extraordinary. The whole bill is based on the acceptance of the underlying principle of linguistic reorganization of states. A number of states on this basis are going to come into existence. But when we come to that region of Maharashtra and Gujarat, we find a different type of dispensation meted out to them. There is no logic in it, there is no reason in it, and there is no principle in it, except that the ruling party, because of certain reasons, suddenly decided upon taking this preposterous course. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Clause 8 creates a bilingual state of Bombay, but I can tell you straightway that the bill was circulated to the various state legislatures. It did not contain the provision of the kind that we have before us. Thus, the people in the states and their legislators in particular were denied the opportunity of addressing their mind to this particular clause which we have before us. They discarded certain other things too. It was open to them to discard this matter also. They could not foresee that the government would suddenly so change its mind that it would be necessary to discuss it. They concentrated on the provisions of the bill based on the recommendations of the Commission. They had before them two important documents, one the Commission's recommendations with regard to Bombay, and the other the proposals contained in the bill that went to them. They concentrated only on those things, and they could never have seen that certain honorable gentlemen would collect together in the lobbies signatures of various members on a little piece of paper and flaunt them before the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister, who has not been easily changeable in regard to this matter, would suddenly change and accept the suggestions for the creation of a bilingual state